For this simple recipe, we have our urad dal, mustard seeds, red chilies, curry leaves, grated coconuts, fresh pepper, grated jaggery, salt, turmeric, and of course our golden beets. We're going to prepare the beets first by cutting off their tails and heads. Place the clean, prepared beets in a pot of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric to the water. Bring the water to a boil and cover the pot and let them cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're tender. While the beets are boiling, use a mortar and pestle to crush the pepper into a coarse powder. The beets are perfectly done and ready when you can easily pass a sharp knife through them. Drain and rinse them in cold water. Cooking the beets in their skin lets you retain more of their vitamins and minerals. At this point, with your perfectly cooked beets, you should be able to simply rub the skin right off of the beets. If you need to, you can use a paring knife to scrape some of the tougher pieces off. Now you can slice the beets into small cubes or into small wedges. You should now have about 2 to 3 cups of diced beets. In a large wok or frying pan, heat about 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil. To the hot oil, add the mustard seeds, the urad dal, the curry leaves, and the red chilies. Sauté until the urad dal is a golden color. Slide in your pre-cooked golden beets and stir well to coat them in the spices and oil. Sprinkle the remaining half a teaspoon of turmeric on top, the remaining half a teaspoon of salt, and the jaggery that you've grated into thin pieces. Once again, stir well to blend all of these spices into the beets. Add about a quarter cup of water to further integrate these flavors into the beets and cook until all the water has evaporated. Once most of the water has evaporated, you can sprinkle the crushed black pepper on top and the grated coconut. Stir well to distribute the flavors of the coconut and pepper throughout the golden beets. Take this opportunity to taste it and see if you need to add more salt. These delicious golden beets are now ready for you to serve. You can serve them with fresh rice, with chapatis or naan, or even as a side dish for a main course.